Hello and welcome everyone. This is Mohammed Arslan and you're watching my channel MArcSiddiqui. In the previous lecture we studied about the JavaScript. We had the introduction of JavaScript and in today's lecture we are going to learn about the working environments. So without any delay, let's move forward. First we're going to learn about the platform. What is platform? Platform means a working environment or a software on which we are going to work and going to use for the JavaScript coding. How many platforms? There are countless tools that are available for JavaScript coding like Sublime Text Editor, Gulp, NPM, Webpack, Slint, Jasmine, Browserify, Qnit, Code.Chestra, CircleCI, Travis, CodeShip, Appier, Jenkins. But for this lecture, for this series, we are going to use my favorite one, and it's nothing but Visual Studio Code. So that's it for today. In the next lecture we are going to learn that how to install Visual Studio Code. So thanks a lot for now. If you have any query, if you need to ask something, you can contact me. Have a good day. Thanks a lot.